Mr. Francis Anthony Garcia, Dr. Bima Arya, distinguished mayors, ladies and gentlemen. Throughout the pandemic, the cigarette consumption among the low socioeconomic society tend to increase. This is unacceptable. Not only that smoking exacerbates the impact of COVID-19 transmission, but it is also a serious threat to the human resources development. Despite setbacks the pandemic imposes, Indonesia is committed to reduce youth smoking prevalence from 9.1% in 2018 to 8.7% in 2024. In doing so, we devised these following 4 strategies. First, smoking cessation strategies. We provide free consultations to support smokers who are willing to quit smoking through free sessions of over phone call and services in health centers. Second, education, communication, and information strategies. We devise massive communication, information, and education to the community using social media and other effective above-the-line communication channel. Third, decentralized policy advocacy strategies. We advocate the local government to issue regulation regarding free smoking area and to impose free smoking area in designated locations at district and municipality level. Fourth, centralized policy advocacy strategies. We advocated to the Ministry of Finance the issuance of a regulation imposing the highest attainable tax for cigarette excise tax. We also developed regulations that will stipulate pictorial health warning to cover 90% of the surface packaging area, to forbid the selling of the sold cigarette sticks, and to regulate the heated tobacco product, as well to forbid cigarette promotions in electronic media and public spaces. Ladies and gentlemen, as the COVID-19 is continuing to spread around the world, with more than 5 million deaths across almost 200 countries, tobacco smoking may not be our only threat to focus on today. In fact, the COVID-19 have made us reallocate funding, resources, and logistics to manage the pandemic. In itself, I am very grateful that as a health minister, I gain support from other ministries and other stakeholders that make sure we devise the right strategies to contain the transmissions in Indonesia. And as of November, Indonesia is both grateful and proud to be able to keep our 2021 vaccination target on track. I hope so is with many other countries. Ladies and gentlemen, the pandemic has taught us one very important lesson, that only with strong and effective collaborations we can achieve whatever we set to achieve. Finally, with the forces of 78 city mayors representing 12 countries, I am optimistic that the 6th Asia-Pacific Cities Alliance Summit for Health and Development will be our critical milestone to bring real health solutions that we all want to see and our people deserve. Thank you.